Today I'm going to show you how you can add text elements to your report. Text elements can be used as an introduction to different report sections to guide report readers through your findings. To add a text element to your report, all you have to do is go to your report and click the Add Report Element icon and select Text right here. Then you can write the heading and the description. I'm just going to do an example. Test. This is an example. And when you're satisfied with your text element, you click Add. And the text element will be added at the bottom of your report immediately. But of course, you can always move it. You can also add buttons to your text elements that link to a website of your choosing. This could be used to direct readers to an action plan or download a file. All you have to do for that is, after you've added the text element, you click on its heading to open the edit side of the menu right here. Then you can enable the button. You can then enter the button text. For example, click here. You can also enter the link that you want the respondent to click on and assign a color. Your changes will be saved immediately, and then it will look like this, for example. And this is how you can add a text element to your report.